5 essential oils that stop allergies forever. Allergies are often too painful, unpleasant, and uncomfortable, but instead of using various medications, you should try essential oils. These oils soothe the inflammation, boost the immune system, and clear the blocked sinuses. The following 5 essential oils are the best you can use in the case of allergies. Lavender oil. This oil has potent anti-inflammatory properties and acts as a natural antihistamine, so it provides relief and soothes the allergy. Lavender oil remedy. When you notice the first allergy symptoms, rub several drops of it between the palms and hold them close to the nostrils. Breathe deeply. You should also carry several cotton balls with lavender oil with you during the allergy season. Lemon oil. It supports the lymphatic system and thus helps the body to fight against respiratory conditions. It boosts the immune system and prevents the growth of bacteria. To get rid of the allergy triggers in the air, you should diffuse it at home. Lemon oil remedy. In a glass of water, add 1 to 2 drops of lemon essential oil and drink it to regulate the H levels in the body. To destroy bacteria on the curtains, sheets, carpets and furniture, add this oil to the laundry detergent you usually use. Peppermint oil. The European Journal of Medical Research published a study which showed that this essential oil has powerful anti-inflammatory effects and can soothe the symptoms of chronic inflammatory disorders, such as allergic rhinitis and bronchial asthma. It acts as a potent expectorant and thus soothes allergies, sinusitis, colds, and coughs. Peppermint oil remedy. To unclog the sinuses and unclog a sore throat, you should diffuse 5 drops of it. This will relax the nasal muscles and they will be able to clear out mucus and allergens. To alleviate the inflammation, take 1 to 2 drops of pure peppermint oil internally. Basil oil. The anti-inflammatory properties of basil essential oil effectively fight allergies and destroy bacteria and viruses. This oil also treats pain, fatigue, and inflammation. The powerful antimicrobial properties destroy bacteria, yeast, and mold that lead to asthma. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil quickly kills pathogens in the air that lead to allergies, so you should diffuse it at home to get rid of mold, bacteria, and fungi in the air. Its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties also soothe irritated skin.